Welcome, dear students. In today's session, I'll be discussing the SQL interactive commands. We will be looking into some logical operators which are used in the SQL queries, and it is related to Unit 3 chapter. Okay, logical operators. You people are now aware of using logical operators like and, or, not. Okay, so in SQL queries also we can make use of these operators. That is, if you want to have more than one operation to be combined, or any conditions has to be multiple conditions has to be checked, and then if you want to view the data from the database or the table, then logical operators can also be used in the SQL queries. Okay, so in today's session, we shall understand more about it along with certain examples and example queries. Okay, logical AND compares two booleans as expression and returns true when both of the conditions are true, and returns false when either is false. Otherwise, returns unknown. An operator that has one or two null expressions returns unknown. Okay, this is a common information which you people have went through with C or C++. So it is going to check the Boolean expression, right? Two Booleans as expressions. That is, if there are two expressions, in case if the two expressions are returning some true value, then only the result of logical AND will be true. So among the two expressions, if any one of the expression is yielding to false result, then the logical AND operator or logical AND returns the false value. So there is one more case called as unknown. Unknown means among the two expressions specified by the user, in case if one of the expression is returning null value, nothing like true or false, neither it is returning, instead it is null, means then the result will be what? Unknown. Okay, so let us concentrate with the first two things. That is, when both the expressions are returning true, then the logical AND results true result, and if any one of the expression is returning false, then the logical AND yields with a false value. Okay, so now they have given a scenario like where we can apply logical AND in the SQL query. Okay, let us go through this situation. Okay, to get data of customer code, customer name, customer city, customer country, and grade from the customer table. So with the following conditions. So they have given certain conditions here like 1 and 2. Two conditions are given. Which is the table they are asking us to refer? From the customer table. Okay. So the customer table is having few attributes called as customer code, customer name, customer city, customer country, and grade. So do not worry with the meaning of those columns or attributes. So we all know that in a business field or in shopping, while shopping, the customers informations are maintained, right? Yes, so like how we have student ID and employee ID, in the same way customer table, if it is maintained, then the customer also will be given with certain code. Okay, so customer code column is there, attribute is there, customer name, the name of the customer is saved, the customer belongs to which city, country, these informations are all what noted in which table? Customer table. So now they are asking to fetch few information, some information from this customer table. But what type of information? They are asking to fetch the value or some information based on the following conditions. What are those conditions? The customer country should be or must be UK, and grade of the customer must be what? 2. Okay, so when the customer informations are maintained in a customer table, so they want to retrieve those customers information where the customer is belonging to which country? UK, And the also along with the country UK, the customer should also have the grade what 2. Both these condition has to be satisfied. So whichever the row, whichever the tuple from the table matches these two values, the customer country should be equal to UK, and the customer grade value should be equal to how much? 2. In case if these two values, if these two attributes, customer country and grade attributes value matches to UK and 2, only those customer details has to be displayed, or it has to be retrieved from the table. Okay, so how to frame a query using this logical and? So two conditions also should become has to be satisfied, right? So now just like look into the SQL query, how it is written. Okay, these are very important, students. Note down how the queries are written. Whenever examples are discussed, just note down, understand it, and try to um, map each one of the conditions what you find in the query is referring what. Okay, so this is how the SQL code you're following, right? This is how the query is framed. Just check out here. So whenever we need to retrieve some information from the table, means we are making use of which operation? Select operation. Okay, so and you will be finding we as we have to mention the information has to be fetched from which table. So from clause is used to refer the table name, right? And you are also finding where clause. What is this where? This is actually used to what? Specify the condition. What is that condition? They have given two conditions has to be satisfied, right? So in order to mention those conditions, what we require? Where clause is required. Okay. So select from where. These three are what keywords, what you find in this SQL query. Okay, so what they have told in the thing, they want the customer ID or code, customer name, customer city, customer country, customer grade from the customer table where the customer is belonging to the country UK, and the grade of the customer should be 2, right? So now just check out what how the things have been framed in the query. So select what we have to retrieve. To retrieve we should use this keyword select. What are the informations to be retrieved? The customer code has to be retrieved, name has to be retrieved, customer city has to be retrieved, similarly the country has to be retrieved, and grade has to be retrieved. So whichever the columns in interest to be viewed, those column names has to be, or attribute names has to be listed along with the select keyword by separating these names by the comma. Okay, so select customer code comma, customer name comma, customer city comma, customer country comma, grade. So these are what the attribute names or the column names you find in which table? Customer table. Okay, so select these 5 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 column values. Select these 5 column values. Now you use from keyword, that is to mention from which table. What is the table name you are finding here? From customer. Customer is a table name. Okay, that you have to mention. Following to that, now you should mention the condition. So to mention the condition, we are using which clause? Where clause. Where, what is the two condition? First one, customer country must be UK. So cust underscore country is what the column name given. So cust underscore country is equal to what should be the country value? UK, right? So it is specified within single quotes UK, as well as grade of the customer should also be 2, right? So two conditions, so this should also be true. So we are making use of which operator? Logical and operator. See, and is a keyword. What is a column name? Grade, right? In the customer table, what is a column name? Grade. See here, so grade is equal to what should be the value of grade? 2. Since it is a numeric value, 2 you are simply writing, whereas UK is a character what variable sorry data type, so it has to be mentioned within which one? Single quotes, this value. Okay, note down this. Customer country is equal to UK should be mentioned within single quotes, whereas grade is equal to 2, as it is a numeric value, no need to specify within the quotes. Okay, so by doing this, by executing this query, we will be getting those customer details who are belonging to the country UK and the grade is equal to 2. Suppose if the customer, it is a customer table of some more than what 100, 500 above, some details will be there about the customers. So from that list of customers, what happens after executing this query? Only, I mean, the information is filtered. Only the customer who are belonging to this particular country and who are having the grade 2, only those customer information will be displayed. Is that clear? So this is about logical, SQL logical and operator, how to implement in the query. Now we shall go with the second operator, that is logical OR operator. How to use this? So you all know that given any two conditions or expressions, if any one of the expression becomes true, then it is going to return true value. In case if both the expressions are yielding to true value, then this operator is going to return what? True value itself. In case if either, I mean, two of the expressions are also yielding false value, only then this logical OR operator will be resulting with a false value. Okay. So logical OR compares two booleans as expression and returns true when either of the condition is true. So in given two boolean expression, if any one of them is true, it is going to return what? True value, and returns false when both are false. If both the boolean expression given are false, then it is going to return false. Otherwise returns unknown. What is the third aspect here? Unknown. When it is shown an operator that has one or two null expressions returns unknown. So in the given two boolean expressions, if either both the expressions or one of the expressions are returning null value, then the operator is going to return what? Unknown. Okay. Then just check out the following example. To get data of customer code, customer name, customer city, customer country and grade from the customer with the following condition. See, that is, this is a scenario. They want to retrieve again the customer code information, customer name, city information, country information as well as grade. From which table? From the same old customer table only, but with certain conditions. What are those conditions? Either customer country is USA, or the second condition, or grade of the customer is 3. So the meaning here is it is no or it is not required that the customer country should also be USA as well as the grade of the customer also should be 3. Both the conditions may not be true. Either the customer country is USA, and if the customer grade is not 3, no issue. We have to get that or display that customer detail. Suppose if the customer country is not USA, but the grade of the customer is 3, no problem. We should display that particular customer detail. In case if both the things matches, customer country is also USA and grade of the customer is also 3, yes, both the conditions are true, so retrieve or display that customer information. Or else, if the customer country is not USA, if the customer grade is also not 3, other than 3 something else is there, then we don't require that customer detail. Okay, so logical OR operator is a condition where if either given any two condition, if any one of them gets satisfied, then it is going to display or return the true value, or it helps to get the details of those particular value from the table. Okay, now just check out how this condition is written. It is very simple, like how we observed the logical AND. So this is a SQL code. See, select operation, we have to display what information about from the customer table. Customer code has to be displayed, name has to be displayed, city has to be displayed, country information has to be displayed as well as grade. Okay, from which table? From customer table. And what should be the condition? Condition is specified with the help of where clause. So they have told the customer country is equal to USA. So customer country is equal to USA, mentioned within single quotes as it is a character data type, or grade of the customer is 3. So logical or, it, logical or we are using, and which is a other attribute condition. They have given a condition for the attribute grade, and what should be the value is equal to 3. 3 is a numeric data type, so 3 without single quotes we have mentioned. And just check out here students, it is not, as we are using logical or, it is not required that both the conditions should be returning true value. If either one of the condition is returning true value, then those customer details will be displayed. If both the expression customer country and grade is false, if the customer country is not matching to USA, if the grade is not matching to 3, both are what, false, then it doesn't consider that particular row value in the customer table. Is that clear? If in case if both the conditions are matching, yes, it is going to display that. Okay, so this is with the logical or. So either it is and or logical or. Observe the common keywords you implement in the query. To display the information, we go for select operation. Then of course you should mention what has to be displayed following to that select, which attribute values, and you have to mention the from which table. So from a keyword followed by the table name. Then condition we should give logical or condition you should attach. So for that, which keyword has to be used, where keyword has to be used. Hope you are following this. The next topic to be discussed is logical not operator. So it is a very easy one, or the concept is known for you all. If any true value is given, it will be returning the false value. Or if any false value is given in the expression, it will be returning which one? The true value. Okay. Logical not takes a single boolean as an argument. So logical and logical or should be given with two boolean expressions, whereas logical not operator can have single boolean expression or as an argument. And what is the nature of not operator? It changes its value from false to true. So in case if the boolean expression is resulting with false value, it converts the false value to true. Suppose if the given expression, single boolean expression, is returning some true value, then it is going to convert that true value to which value? False value. This is a nature. Okay. Now check out the requirement or the example now for a query. To get all columns, all columns means all the attribute information from which table? Customer table, with the following condition. What is that condition? Grade for the customer not greater than 1. Okay, so in the above examples we observed where grade equal to 1, grade equal to 2, something, those conditions were given, right? So there will be also grade for the customer whose grade value may be less than 1 also. So they want to view those customer details who are having the grade less than 1. See, not greater than 1 means, not greater than 1 means what? What you are thinking? If not greater than, whichever the value, the grade value is held in the table, it should not be greater than 1. So it means what? The value which is equal to 1 or the value which is less than 1, only those customer details has to be displayed. Okay, so whichever the customer is having the grade above 1, that is 2, 3, 4. Okay, so those customer details are not required. Only the customer whose grade value is equal to 1 or less than 1, those customer details has to be viewed. This is a requirement. So how the SQL statement can be used? See, select asterisk symbol is used. So asterisk means what? They have told to get all columns. If all the attribute information from the table has to be viewed, then we can make use of asterisk symbol. But if you want to view only few column details, then you are avoiding asterisk and you are specifying only those column names which you want to view. So here they have told to get all columns. So that is why we are using asterisk symbol to display all the column values. Okay, select asterisk symbol, that is select all. The meaning is what? Select all the column values from clause. Following to that, the table name. So which table? From the customer. What is the condition? Condition has to be specified with where clause. So where, see here we are making use of logical not. Logical not grade greater than 1. So grade greater than 1 means what? We will be, grade which should be greater than 1 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are what the grade values. But the logical not, this not operator converts this, which one? Condition, grade greater than 1. It converts the true value to false value. Yes or no? So now here this is going to return what? The true value, this condition, but it converts that true value to false. False means what? The grade should be what? Not greater than 1. It should not be, the grade should not be greater than 1. It means what? Whichever the customer who is having the grade equal to 1 as well as less than 1, it will be what? Considering that. Is that clear? So here the result will be what? The customer details who are having the grade only 1 or within or much lower than that, only those customer details will be displayed. So understood? So not greater than 1 means if we want the answers or the customer details whose grade is not greater than 1 means we should give the value like this. That is opposite to that, we should give grade greater than 1. So the not operator converts the condition to false. True, it converts to false. So grade not greater than 1 it considers, and it is going to display the customer information who are having grade equal to 1 or less than 1. Okay. Now we shall discuss SQL logical multiple AND operator. How to make use of AND operator multiple times in a query. So in the following topics we are discussing the usage of multiple AND operator, and the following example. In the following example, more than one AND operators along with the SQL select statement is used. So just check out how the things goes, or if you want many multiple AND conditions to be used. Okay, multiple conditions to be embedded. So just check out the requirement here. So in our previous example, we observed only two conditions, right? So here you just check out here, three conditions are given. So to get data of customer code, customer name, customer city, customer country and grade from the customer table with the following conditions. What are those? Customer country should be equal to UK, customer city should be London, and grade of the customer must be greater than 1. So these three things are considered. Now customer city is also considered. Country should be UK. In UK, which is that city, it should observe London, and the grade of the customer should be greater than 1. These are the three conditions. So it is as simple like how we observed the above. Just check out here. Here also with the select operation from clause to mention from which table, and the condition with the where clause. Okay. So select which were the particular columns they wanted to view: customer code, customer name, customer city, customer country and grade, right? So these were the columns they wanted to view. So those column names we have mentioned with the help of commas, okay, separated to each other. Then after mentioning the last column name, no need to specify the comma. Use which clause or keyword from. What is the table name? Customer. Mention the where clause. So what is the condition? The first condition is what? The customer country should be UK. So cust underscore country is equal to UK. It is, as it is character type, it should be embedded within single quotes. Then one more condition, if the country is UK, then city should be London. So use AND operator, logical AND operator, then provide the second column name. Customer city is equal to what should be the value? London. Mention it with the single quotes. And one more condition they have told, the grade should be greater than 1. So again you are using logical and then you are mentioning the column name grade, and then you are putting which one? Condition greater than 1. See, three conditions we have added with how many ands? Two and operators. So this is what using multiple and logical and in our query. Customer country should be equal to UK. If it is true, then one more thing has to be checked. That is, if customer city is equal to London, again if this becomes true, only then one more condition, grade of the customer, whether it is greater than 1 has to be checked, verified. Okay. So it is with the hierarchy. So first the country is given preference. From that country, a particular city is considered, and from that city, if those customers from that customers from a particular city is found, only then go for checking with other condition, that is with the column name grade. If it is greater than 1, then fetch only those customer information from the customer table. Okay. So this is about how using multiple logical AND operators. Well students, in our next session we shall consider the logical operators with few more implementations. Meet you all in the next session. Thank you.